So today is day 41, and the magic number with that is it is eating day. Finally, after 40 days of only water, I ate today. So it's been a very exciting day already. I feel full of energy. I wasn't really overly excited to eat when I woke up this morning. I was sort of in my normal, tired, weak, fasting sort of energy. But I knew my body felt that I was ready to break the fast. So I was up early. I was up at 6 a.m. and I did my enema. I had a shower, took my time, and I made my soup to eat for breakfast. And basically what I made was a puree with these ingredients. So I took 5 cloves of garlic, and I mixed it with equal parts of ginger. I took 1 whole onion, and I took 5 cucumbers this size, and I peeled them, and I put everything in a blender, and I made it into a raw soup. And this is what it looked like. So it really was like a puree. It smells so good to me. So this was almost full to the top this morning. And for breakfast I had about 5 spoonfuls. And I was totally full. It was enough. But I felt amazing. I felt energized. I felt like it was the right thing to eat for me. I didn't feel overly full. After 5 spoonfuls, I closed it and I put it away, and I just went for a little walk for about 5 minutes just to move my body. And I came home and I rested, and I just, did a meditation of gratitude and just had some time to myself, which was really nice. And for lunch, I had a little bit more, maybe 10 spoonfuls, but at lunchtime I decided to add some raw apple cider vinegar. So I mixed that in, and it really added a nice flavor to it. Tastes a lot better now. And probably for dinner I'll have a little bit more. I don't even know if I'll eat all of this today, but I'm trying to listen to my body and just do what it tells me. As I wrote in the book, I have a chapter on breaking the fast. The most important thing to do is break the fast wisely, gently, and slowly. Not to overdo it, not to get big eating eyes, and just eat everything that you see. Because especially when you've been fasting for a long time, that can be quite dangerous. It can be very hard on the pancreas. And you can really get yourself into trouble. And not only that, but you can feel constipated, you can get very tired, you can just feel nauseous and weak and toxic from having too many different foods. So I have a lot of recommendations for exactly how to prepare yourself mentally to break a long fast, and also, how to prepare some foods or some juices. In my case, I wanted to do this in particular because of the situation that I had with these intestinal worms coming up during the fast. And, for me, it's very important to make sure that I'm on a continued program to combat any critters that are still left in there. So that's why I chose these particular foods. But believe me, even something like onion, after you haven't had anything, can taste like sheer delight. And it did for me today. It's unbelievable, just unbelievable. And just to feel the appreciation of having taste in your mouth. is an experience that most people never get to feel in their lives. And for me, it's like, wow, if they only knew how beautiful and glorious the taste of food really is, maybe they would appreciate it a little bit more. So that's where I'm at. I'm feeling good. I feel like I have energy, but I'm still, going slow, and I'm trying to just be conservative with my energy and myself and not overdo it. I don't want to start running around and socializing and, making up for people I haven't been in contact with over the last 6 weeks. I'm just still taking a lot of time for myself, which I think is really, really, really important to do. And, I'm just taking it moment by moment. So, tomorrow I would like to eat much the same. I don't want to go into sugary fruits just yet because of the worms, and I want to see how I feel. I'm sort of learning as I go too. This type of fast with these results I've never had before either. So I'm kind of like an experiment in the process. And I never read anybody's experience on the internet or otherwise who had a similar outcome as me. So I'm trying to figure it out as I go. Usually I would break a fast on fruit, but because of the worms, I'm trying to really stay with some anti-germal foods for a few days just to see what happens. I've got nothing to lose, and it's still food, so why not try it? Maybe tomorrow, by then, I'll change my mind. I don't know. But at the moment, I feel really good about this choice of food for myself, and I'm quite happy to stay with it for another day or two until I want to bring in some low GI index fruits. So there you go. I mean, it's really hard to believe that after all this time, it's finally at the end. It's one of those journeys that you just think, wow, it's never going to be over, it's never going to be over, it's never going to be over. And then all of a sudden it is, and it's like, wow, I did it. I did it. And it feels pretty amazing. Feels pretty amazing. So it's a lot to take in. It's really a lot to take in. But well worth it. That's all I can say. It's well worth it. A lot more detail in the book that I've written, Comprehensive Guide to Water Fasting, plus 40-day personal journal. So if you want all the details, go to my website, healthybliss.net. You can download the book in PDF or EPUB form, and you can read everything, every detail day by day, and a lot of information on what to expect and how to prepare for a fast for yourself. And that's kind of it, guys. That's where we are right now. Day 41, day 1 of eating. Feels great. Thanks, guys. See ya.